Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite Unavailable on Epic Games Launcher. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to click on the system tray, right click on the Epic Games and select exit. Right click on the Epic Games Launcher on the desktop shortcut and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now open up Epic Games Launcher. Now you just need to select the profile icon and select settings. Scroll down and select the edit vault cache location and select the reset option and select apply. And now go back and go to library and refresh this page and scroll down, click on the three dot icon next to Fortnite and select manage and select verify and verify the game files. After getting verification done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to click on the system tray, right click on the Epic Games and select quit. Now go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, you just need to find Epic Games folder. After finding it, you just need to select the Epic Games folder and Epic Fortnite game folder. Just right click on it and select deleted and find the Epic Games folder. If you have the Epic Games folder, just right click on it and delete it. After that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up Epic Games Launcher and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.